The rear roller kit is an assembly that includes the metal mounting bracket, the lateral blade guide rollers, and the thrust guide roller. It comes pre-assembled, so it is ready to mount to your saw. It also includes the mounting screws. Over time, the roller assembly will wear due to contact with the blade. The bearings can wear out and seize. The metal mount can be scored if the blade contacts it. Replacing the rear roller kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear guard. With the guard removed, I have access to both of the screws on the rear roller. I'll remove it next. Now we can install the new roller. There's a pin on the back of the roller assembly that will align it with the housing. Once it's aligned, I'll reinstall the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear guard. And that's how easy it is to replace the rear roller kit on your portable bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.